B. Lawrence, B. Martin, B. Mariamili, and Philip. Say lobby. You have to enjoy. In life, is only important what you live. My house, my car, my boyfriend, my girlfriend, nothing will go with you. They are only for living the life. Till you are living, enjoy. When you die, nothing going to go with you. So in life, if something is necessary, is your joy, your happiness. That with how much happiness you live your life, and more consciously, if you think, you will find this is the only things what is important in the life.